Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome to Competitors World. Competitors World को अपन मानक स्वागत करछि. So friends, today we are going to discuss some of the most important sports events, okay, that are very much useful for the upcoming exams like your OS and High Court ASO. Okay, so these are some of the selected questions that I am going to discuss. So before you start, subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed, like it, share it and press the bell icon so that I will be motivated to make more videos. Thank you so much. Let's start. So the first thing about MS Dhoni. So MS Dhoni has won the Spirit of the Cricketer Award of the Decade. Okay. So MS Dhoni, this is very important question. So MS Dhoni, the former Indian captain, has won the International Cricket Council Spirit of the Cricketer Award of the Decade. Okay. If we'll talk about another person, he is your Rashid Khan. Okay, so Rashid Khan, he has also won the T20I Cricketer of the Decade award. जदि पचरा हुए Spirit of the Cricket award कहा को दिया है? Spirit of the Cricket award, it is given to MS Dhoni. If it asked about the T20I Cricketer of the Decade award कहा को दिया है? So he is Rashid Khan. Okay, he belongs to Afghanistan. Clear? Next, Kohli wins ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade. Okay, so Virat Kohli has won the ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade award. So he is the now present the Indian captain Virat Kohli has won the Sir Garfield Sobers award for the ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade award. Okay, ता सहित कौन पाइछन्ति ना ICC Men's ODI Cricketer of the Decade. So जदि क्वेश्चन है ICC Male Cricketer of the Decade कहा को दिया है ना विराट कोहली, ICC Men's ODI Cricketer of the Decade कहा को दिया है ना विराट कोहली. जदि T20 पर चलला Cricket of the Decade, he is Rashid Khan. और Spirit of the Cricketer award पर चलले he is MS Dhoni. Clear? So out on the next important information regarding Australian all-rounder Elise Perry. Okay, he is a famous cricketer of Australia and world famous cricketer. Elise Perry, he has won. Elise Perry, okay, Elise Perry has won the ICC Female Cricketer of the Decade. Okay, आउ कौन पाइछन्ति? Female ODI Cricketer of the Decade award मध्य पाइछन्ति. And also T20I Cricketer of the Decade award. तो सबु जंगा award Elise Perry पाइछन्ति. So if female cricketer कथा पछरे आखि बुझी के Elise Perry मारिया पड़ियो. Move on to the next. That is your BCCI appoints Chetan Sharma as the chief selector. Okay, Chetan Sharma को chief selector appoint कराइछि. So आउ ए पैनल आउ दुजन अछंती. He is Mr. Abek Kuruvilla and Debashish Mahanti. He is from Odisha, our state. He is a very famous cricketer. Now the other two members of the selection panel किए के अछंती ना Indian cricketer Sunil Joshi and Harvinder Singh. Clear? Move on to the next. FIFA postpones under 17 World Cup till 2023. Okay, so the under 17 World Cup which was scheduled to be held in 2021 is now has been postponed. Okay, so because of the pandemic this World Cup has been postponed and this will be held in 2023. Okay, and this World Cups will now be played in 2023. Under 17 टा भी 2023 रे हबो, under 20 टा भी 2023 रे हबो. Okay, so it is the पचारा question is asked regarding the venue. जदि हमारा FIFA रो under 17 रो venue कथा पचारुची, then it will be held in, that is your Peru. Okay, under 17 टा हबो Peru रे. Clear? जदि पचारा होची under your under 19, sorry under 20 World Cup FIFA, this will be held in Indonesia. Clear? Under 20 टा Indonesia रे हबो, under 17 टा Peru रे हबो, and both the World Cups will be held in 2023. Okay, and another thing that FIFA has decided to expand the teams participating slot for the Women's World Cup to 32 teams. Next, very good news for our state that a world class hockey stadium is going to be established in Raulkela. Work has been started. Hockey stadium gote habo Raulkela. This is world class stadium. So Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has announced the construction of new world class hockey stadium in Raulkela. Okay, so Raulkela is famous for hockey. You know, the stadium being built are the largest one in the country. So this is the largest one in the country. This stadium is the largest one in the country. And another interesting thing that this will host the men's World Cup hockey to World Cup, that to be held in 2023 is a World Cup of a men's World Cup. This is going to be held in Raulkela Stadium. So this is the now we'll talk about the Sundargarh district. Why Sundargarh is in news regarding the hockey? So many dynamic players, okay, are from Sundargarh. So this is called the powerhouse of hockey because this has born many talents. Those includes like Dilip Tirki, Sunita Lakra. Okay, these are the famous hockey players who belong to Raulkela. Okay, next. Your question 6. First sports university to in Maharashtra. Okay, Maharashtra is going to open first sports university. So friends, these are the very much important questions, and probability is very much high that these questions will come in the examination. So Maharashtra first sports university open habo. Okay, कोड ओपन हबो ना बलवाड़ी इन पुणे. बलवाड़ी गोटे अच्छी बलवाड़ी सेटा पुणे रे अच्छी. So सेठी ओपन हबो. Okay, so it will start functioning. केबे function start हबो ना 2021 2022 रे it will start the functioning. And another thing, the university will be the center for sports excellence in the country that will pick and train sports person the international caliber. So this is basically constructed to encourage the dynamic sports personality, okay, having the hidden quality. They will be trained and they will be trained to participate in the international level. Clear? Next, if we talk about this sports university was earlier a Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex. A sports complex thila, ta na thila Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex, and later it was modified to a sports university by the Maharashtra government. Clear? So has hosted the Commonwealth Youth Games in 2008 and it will be upgraded to a university. Clear? Commonwealth Youth Games 2008 रे हितला Shiv Chhatri Sports Complex. Next. Okay, if we'll talk about the Maharashtra, so some of the most information regarding Maharashtra. So Maharashtra Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray and Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshiyari. If we'll talk about some of the most important national parks that are situated in Maharashtra, so you can say your Sanjay Gandhi National Park, your Todoba National Park, Todoba Andheri National Park, your I think Chandeli National Park, okay, Newegam, your Najira National Park, you can say your Sahyadri National Park. These are some of the most important national parks that are situated in Maharashtra. Clear? So move to the next question. So the next question is regarding the FIFA Men's Player of the Year. So who has won the Men's Player of the Year? He is none other than Lewandowski. Okay. So he belongs to the football club Bayern Munich. Okay. Bayern Munich को से belong करते football club को. He has won the best men's player of the FIFA Footballer Awards. It is Zurich रहितला. So he belongs to Poland. Okay. से होचंदी पोलैंड रो बिलोंग करचंदी Lewandowski. आउ कोन ना he has beat previously कहा को हरिचंदी ना Cristiano Ronaldo, very famous footballer. So Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi to the award after a glorious season with Bayern Munich जो था 2019 or 2020. Okay, so if we'll talk about women's player, এটা তো গলা men's रे जितले Lewandowski. So the women's player का कथा कहवा. So you have to also remember this. So Lucy Bronze. Lucy Bronze, he has won the men's. Okay, men's जो जीती जाती Lucy Bronze. Lucy Bronze best FIFA women's player of the year. Women's player of the year award जीती Lucy Bronze. Clear? If we talk about two famous personality, Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi. So Cristiano Ronaldo belong to Portugal. Clear? Cristiano Ronaldo Portugal को belong करचंती आउ Lionel Messi Argentina belong करचंती, that is the country of continent South America. So Cristiano Ronaldo विषय में कहबा से recently गोटे player of the century award पाइचंती आउ कोन पाइचंती ना golden foot award मध्य पाइचंती Cristiano Ronaldo. You will talk about Lionel Messi से 2020 रे पाइचंती Lewandowski, जति पचरा 2019 न के पाइथिले 19 न पाइथिले Lionel Messi. Okay, 2019 ର बेस्ट FIFA मेंस प्लेयर ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड पाइथिले लियोनेल मेसी. आउ कोन अवार्ड पाइथिले से टाइम रे गोटे बैलन डिओ अवार्ड मध्ये पाइथिले लियोनेल मेसी. क्लियर? आई थिंक ऑल द डाउट्स हैव बीन क्लियर. सो मूव टू द नेक्स्ट one, that is 8. So Doha to host 2030 Asian Games. Very important question. 2030 एशियन गेम्स कोठी हबो ना दोहा कतर रहबो. ओके, एंड 2034 एशियन गेम्स कोठी हबो ना एटा हबो रियाद रे. ओके, सो कतर आ गोटे इंफॉर्मेशन यू मस्ट हैव नोन दैट कतर इज गोइंग टू होस्ट द 2022 फीफा वर्ल्ड कप. 2022 रे जो फीफा वर्ल्ड कप हबो सेटा को मध्ये कतर होस्ट करची. ओके, सो एई जो हेवर थिला एशियन गेम्स आर गोटे काउंटर पार्ट थिला किए ना सऊदी अरेबिया. सो कतरी कैपिटल ऑफ दोहा बीट योर सऊदी अरेबिया. सो दोहा का करले ना सऊदी अरेबिया को फॉर द बीट सऊदी अरेबियन काउंटर पार्ट जो थिला रियाद. ओके, रियाद बिलोंग्स टू सऊदी अरेबिया. सो रियाद को बीट कला दोहा टू बिकम द होस्ट ऑफ एशियन गेम्स 2030. Okay, there is a voting system and the voting took place in 16 December 2020. Okay, so let's move to the next. So your Max Verstappen wins F1 season final. So this is also very important because you must have known that Lewis Hamilton सब गुड़ा जीती आस्तले, but now Max Verstappen won the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. So Abu Dhabi Grand Prix, this is an exception. You just have to remember Abu Dhabi. जदि पचारला क्वेश्चन Abu Dhabi Grand Prix के जीती चंती. So he is none other than Max Verstappen. Okay. Next, Mercedes Valtteri Bottas completed second and Lewis Hamilton come third. So Valtteri Bottas he became the second. He occupied the second position and your Lewis Hamilton occupied the third position. Clear? So move to the next. So IOIG 2023. IOIG. What is IOIG? So IOIG means your Indian Ocean Island Games. Okay. So Indian Ocean Island Games जो हबो 2023. This is to be held in Madagascar. कोठी हबो? ना एटा Madagascar रे हबो. Okay. This is to be held in Madagascar. So this was earlier to be decided in Maldives, but Maldives has lost this opportunity to host the 11th edition of your Indian Ocean Island Games. Okay, now this will be held in Madagascar. The host country will be is Madagascar. So the Indian Ocean Island Games it is a multi-sports event. So both will sports event it for in every 4 years. It 4 वर्ष थरा हुए among the athletes from the Indian Ocean Island nation. So Indian Ocean Island nation जेगुड़ा का अच्छी Indian Ocean nearer to Indian Ocean. So those countries belong to this event. Move to the next. That is 11. So this is a very important question that break dancing has become Olympic sport in 2024. So 2024 जो ओलंपिक हबो कोठी हबो ना फ्रांस रो पेरिस रे हबा अछि 2024 ओलंपिक टा. सो सेठी गोटे नुवा स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट इंट्रोड्यूस होइछि, that is break dancing. In the next slide I will show you the break dancing peak. So this is going to be a sports for the first time. This is going to be sports in the 2024 Paris Olympic. Okay. So this is the broad decision that has been taken by the International Olympic Committee. Okay. So another thing, two games are also introduced in the Paris Olympics. Just remember, that is surfing out stakeboarding. Okay, dita game achi surfing out stakeboarding, and another thing is sport climbing were also approved for the Paris 2024. But all the three events will also be a part of Tokyo Olympic 2021. एगुड़ाक सब Tokyo Olympic रे मध्य introduce हबो. Okay, just remember break dancing. So look at this. This is a peak of break dancing. Okay, so this event is going to be introduced in the Paris Olympics. Move to the next. So if we talk about Olympics, so Olympics venue, this is a question asked. So 2021, this is going to be held in Tokyo. If we talk about 2022 Olympic, that are scheduled to be held in Beijing, China, and 2024, you know, that is Paris. 2026 Olympic out haba na, this is going to be held in Italy. 2026 ta Italy re haba, 2028 ta hamar US re haba. Clear? Move to the next. Stefan, first woman to officiate men's league. Okay, who is Stefan? Stefan Fabret. So she has become the first woman referee in the men's Champions League. Okay, so this was decided on 2nd December 2020. So Frappart has already made history, the first woman referee in the League One, and took the charge for the 2019 UEFA Super League final between Liverpool and Chelsea. So it aguru tankar madhya achi experience. So just remember, Stefan Frappart, she is the first woman to stand as a referee in the men's Champions League. Clear? Move to the next. That is 13. So Virat Kohli, fastest cricketer to score 12,000 ODI runs. So this is a very important question, and this question was come in the recent exams. So Virat Kohli on 2nd of December became the fastest cricketer to score 12,000 ODI runs, breaking the record of Sachin Tendulkar. So see, he has broken the record of Sachin Tendulkar. So Virat Kohli केतरा innings रे click कले बढ़ेले 12,000 runs. So another thing, Virat Kohli जो 12,000 milestone reach कले, the last innings that innings was against Australia. So question may be asked, when Virat Kohli scored 12,000 runs against which country? Sorry, against not which country. The score was made against, the 12,000 score was made against which country? को कंट्री सहित खेल पर से 12,000 रन स्कोर कले. So Kohli got to the milestone in 242 innings. So 242 innings खेली and 251 matches. So 251 मैच और 242 innings खेल की से स्कोर कर 12,000 रन. And earlier this record was in the name of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar नारे record थिला, but now this has been broken. So Sachin Tendulkar 12,000 जो रन कले कितना innings रे करथिले ना 300 innings. Okay, 300 innings खेल के सचिन तेंदुलकर 12,000 रन करथिले, whereas Virat Kohli just played 242 innings to score 12,000 runs. Clear? So move to the next question. Kohli becomes fastest to score 22,000 runs. Okay, Kohli has become the fastest to score 22,000. 22,000 run करिवार मध्य कोहली first. So जो मैच रे 22,000 कले, in that match he hit a score that is 86. Kohli has become the 8th batsman, 8 नंबर बैट्समैन जे कि 22,000 रन करिया को सक्षम होइचंती. ओके, सो ए 22,000 रन करिया पई कोहली 418 मैच खेलिथिले and 462 innings खेलिथिले to reach this landmark. Okay, and you know the highest score record is in the name of Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, so केते स्कोर करछथि ना 34,357 runs in 664 matches. Clear? So next second रे की अछि ना कुमार संगकारा, he is from Sri Lanka. केते स्कोर करछथि ना 28,016 runs. Clear? Okay, move to the next 15. FIFA World Cup rankings. Belgium number 1. So this is very important question. कि FIFA ranking रे number 1 ने किए अछन हमु दुटा जिंस मन रखा पड़ियो से FIFA ranking रे number 1 ने किए अछंती आउ इंडिया रे रैंक केते. So these two things are very much important. So FIFA released its final ranking for 2020 where Belgium bagged number 1 position. Defending the World Cup champions, France अछि बर्तमान second position ने, Brazil third position ने, और England अछि fourth position ने. और India rank होछि 104. This is very much important. So friends, this was all about today's session, and I hope these questions are going to be very much useful for the upcoming exams. Okay, these are some of the most important questions, and in the next session I'll bring you the part 2 regarding the current affairs. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe this, like it, and share it with your friends, so that I will be encouraged to make more videos. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for watching this video.